mastering mindfulness, using Stoicism to stay calm and focused during stressful times. Discover how the ancient philosophy of Stoicism can empower you to maintain calmness and focus even in the most stressful situations, like the Olympics. Learn practical Stoic exercises that athletes and top performers use to handle pressure and excel under stress. Welcome to the Mindful Mastery channel, where we dive deep into ancient wisdom and modern techniques to help you lead a more focused and fulfilling life. Today we're exploring how Stoicism, a philosophy developed over 2,000 years ago, remains a powerful tool for staying calm and focused during stressful times, such as the Olympics. Whether you're an athlete, professional, or anyone facing high-pressure situations, this video is for you. Let's discover how you can apply Stoic principles to excel under pressure and master your reactions. We'll start by understanding the basics of Stoicism, then move on to practical techniques used by Olympians and how you can apply these strategies in your daily life. Stay tuned until the end for a guided Stoic meditation that you can use anytime you need to reclaim your calm. Number 1. The basics of Stoicism. At the heart of Stoicism is the concept of dichotomy of control, a powerful principle that distinguishes between what we can and cannot control. The Stoics teach us to pour our energy into our own actions and attitudes, which are within our control, while accepting the outcomes that aren't. For example, we can't control the weather, the traffic, or the decisions of others, but we can control how we prepare for these events and how we respond to them. This focus on self-mastery is what helps individuals thrive during times of stress. Marcus Aurelius, a Roman emperor and Stoic philosopher, famously said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." His meditations, or personal writings, are filled with advice on maintaining calm and perspective amidst the chaos of life and leadership. Number 2. Stoicism in the Olympics. Turning our focus to the Olympics, where the spotlight and expectations can be overwhelming, Stoicism offers a framework for athletes to remain centered. The Stoic practice of focusing on effort rather than outcome is particularly useful in such a high-stakes environment. Take, for instance, a diver who before each dive clears their mind and focuses solely on the execution of their movements, something entirely within their control, instead of obsessing over the potential score or the audience's reaction. This mental discipline is central to Stoic practice and crucial for peak performance. Coaches often teach athletes to adopt this Stoic mindset to improve concentration and reduce performance anxiety. It's about embracing each moment as an opportunity to execute what they've trained for, regardless of external pressures. Number 3. Practical Stoic exercises. Let's delve deeper into some Stoic exercises that anyone can integrate into their daily routine. The view from above exercise involves visualizing your life from a broader perspective and seeing yourself and your troubles as part of a larger whole. This can dramatically shift your viewpoint on what's truly significant and what isn't. Another useful technique is the premeditation of evils, where you visualize potential challenges or difficulties ahead of time. This mental rehearsal prepares you to face them calmly and reduces the shock or panic that can occur when confronted unexpectedly. Lastly, voluntary discomfort, such as taking cold showers or fasting, can help you develop resilience. By deliberately placing yourself in uncomfortable situations, you train yourself to remain composed and adaptable in stressful or unexpected situations. By integrating these exercises into your routine, You build a mental fortitude that doesn't just prepare you for the Olympic Games or a key business presentation, but for the daily challenges of life. Embracing Stoicism isn't about suppressing emotions or enduring hardship without complaint. It's about recognizing our capacity for control and making intentional choices under pressure. With these tools, anyone can begin to see challenges as opportunities for growth and learning. As we've seen today, Stoicism isn't just about surviving stress, it's about thriving in spite of it. By adopting a Stoic mindset, you can remain unfazed by life's pressures and focus on what truly matters. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this dive into the calm world of Stoicism, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content like this. Check out our other videos on mindfulness and mental training to keep your learning journey going. Remember, it's not what happens to you, but how you react that matters. Embrace Stoicism and master your mind. Until next time, stay mindful and motivated.